Hello, my name is Ana Maria, and this is my presentation. In the first image, we can see a young woman playing volleyball in an open space. She is wearing a blue shirt and black sport pants. In the second photo, we see a boy in a room dressed in a red shirt, playing a beautiful black piano. He is not studying, he is sitting. In the third image, we see a young woman enjoying their really reading her pink bicycle. The young woman has a green shirt and can legs pants. In the next photo, we see a woman cooking in a large kitchen and with an orange pot. She is wearing a long sleeve with shirt and is very smiling. In the next photo, there is a girl living on the floor of her living room watching television. She is wearing a red streetwear and a brown skirt. In the other image, there is a beautiful young woman living on a sofa listening to music. She is not asleep. In the other photo, we see a young man walking his dog in the park. He is wearing pants and a white shirt and he is very smiling. Then we see a young woman reading a book in a park. She is not sitting, she is lying down and wears a blue jacket. In this photo, there is a woman sitting in her living room painting a beautiful painting. She is not sad and wears a green shirt. And finally, we see a boy sleeping on his blue pillow and he wears yellow pajamas. Thank you.